Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a basic yet essential term in geometry and design. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as triangle, 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 triangle. It refers to a three-sided polygon where the sum of the interior angles always equals 180 degrees. Triangles come in various types, including equilateral, isosceles, and scalene, each with its unique properties. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about triangle, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.